Welcome to the Device tutorial about creating a modular page. This WordPress theme allows you to create unlimited modular page and unlimited modules. In order to create a modular page, you need two elements. The first are the modules. The modules are created under the modules post type. The second element is a modular page. To make the process easy in creating different modular pages, you cannot add directly events, gallery, or any other type of content to a modular page without first creating a module. So first of all, after importing the demo contents that already created all our artists, podcasts, releases, and so on, we are going to create some modules. In the modules section, you find the Add New link. So let's create a new module. To create a new module, you must first of all create a title. Let's say that this new module is going to be our logo. In the module settings, you will see a module type menu. These are all the type of modules that can be created. To create a caption, let's see full screen caption. The difference between a caption and a content section is that caption is vertically centered. You will notice switching between the different module type that the page is going to adapt to the type of content that you will need to set. A caption doesn't have a number of elements but allows you to create some special content. For example, we can add new media and choose our logo. This is the logo and we set it centered. Then let's publish. Then we want, for example, to create a new module. And let's see a content section. In this section, for example, we want to create a contact form. Using contact form 7, we already created these two contents. So let's take the shortcode of this contact form and add it to our contact module. Then publish. You will notice that the modules doesn't have any design setting. In this way, it is completely separated the contents of each module from its design setting, and it allows you to recycle the same module across multiple modular pages. Then let's create a new module, and here we are going to set our releases. Selecting Releases Carousel, we are allowed to choose a number of releases, for example 6. Let's create a new module and let's create a news module. News only allows the latest 3 news in the module. Let's create another one for this example and let's choose gallery module. When choosing a gallery, you are allowed to choose one of the galleries that must be previously created under the Multimedia Galleries post type. This is a gallery that we already created, and we are now going to put it as module. Going in all modules, you will see all the modules that we just created. Each one of these modules can be used in an unlimited number of modular pages. You don't need to create them again. Each time you use it, the design setting of its modules can be different, as are defined in the modular page itself and not in the original module. The only way to have releases or other type of content inside of a modular page is to create its module before of all. If these are all the modules that you want to add, let's create a new modular page. By clicking Add New, we can create a new normal page and choose the title. Then we choose Modular Page Template, and then publish or save as draft. If you publish a modular page, it is going to be empty and the content is going to disappear because the content must be added with a content module. This is the modular page we just created. You will notice that the left menu only allows you to go to this widget section. So now, let's see this interface. We have a background video that allows us to put a YouTube video. Then we have the possibility to disable or enable the video of this YouTube video, the audio of this YouTube video. Then you can enable or hide the footer widgets. In this part, you can add as many modules as you want. All these settings are used to define the design point of view of each module. In this way, after deciding the design of the page, you can switch the modules between the sections without needing to re-upload background images or choosing the color settings of a module. These are the modules that we previously created as modules post type: gallery, contact, logo, news, and releases. You will notice that this order is not absolutely relevant. Let's set as first module logo module, and let's set home as menu voice. This is very important to let the menu on the left to work. Then we can choose a menu icon. Each module can be dark or light, and each module can have a different background picture. So let's choose, for example, this nice blue city. You can also have background color, and you can also have an opacity of the background color layer, like 60%. Each module can also have an overlay pattern. You can decide for each module to have a header bar, opaque or transparent. Then you can choose to hide the title or hide the entire module. If we publish the page as it is at this moment and view the page, this is the result. This is a caption module with this logo in the middle. This is the title that we just set up in the logo module type. On the left, the home icon appeared, and this is home, the title of the menu voice that we decided here. You can change the background of this module simply by changing the settings. Let's do it, for example, some blue, 20%. And here it is. Let's, for example, hide the title. And here we go, the title is gone. Let's create another module. After creating a module, you can set up a different background image. Choose a type of module, for example, Releases module. And update and see the result. Home and Releases. But then, let's customize the setting of the design of this page. For example, removing the background color and choosing a different icon. We do the header bar, back, and update again. This is our new icon. This is our release section. And we can create a new module, set the gallery, call it Pictures, and update. After updating, you can choose a new menu icon. You can choose to remove the background image to allow the page background appear. And you can choose to have an overlay pattern. Then you can set a different color. With a 30% opacity. Our gallery module is not showing pictures. So we are going to check the gallery and we see that there is no gallery selected. So first we need to set main gallery in the gallery module. Let's update and refresh the page. And this is our gallery. Let's go back to our modular page. And for example, swap modules together. Now the gallery is going to appear as second module and release in third. To remove the More module, just check Hide Footer widget. And they are going to disappear, leaving only the module that we created manually. By working like this, we can recycle the same modules across multiple modular pages. And then you can swap the type of content without losing all the design settings that you made for this module. So remember that first you need the content, then you need to create the modules that you want to add to a modular page, and then you can create a modular page by choosing the modular page template. After this, you can create the modules by adding them with the plus button. Thank you for watching.